Hi guys, we are playing Meowdoku. This is level 44 and let's start. We need to find 9 cats. So far so good. Alright, we have 7 more to go. Let's try there. Alright, maybe there. Looking good so far. We have 9 more, sorry, 5 more to find. Above 9, alright. So let's maybe try there. Alright, no. Okay, 3 more, maybe there. Yes, of course. Alright, 2 more to finish. Let's try there. Alright, so it's definitely here, and the last one is here. Alright guys,